Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, after the Union Budget 2025, which is presented by our Finance Minister, I am ready with new income tax calculator for the assessment year 2026-27. And as usual, link for this calculator is given in the description of this video, which you can download and use it at your convenience. And usage, by now you know, on the yellow cells you have to input your data, all these cells, and output will be reflected here, and some example calculation is mentioned here. And as you can see, if your income, total income is after standard deduction of 75,000, if your total income is 12 lakh 70,590, then only that amount which is which exceeds 12 lakh, that is 70,590, this much is the tax you have to pay. And, this is just an example, and if your income is more, then of course you have to pay more tax. And if your income is less than up to 12 lakh, for example, suppose let me write here 12 lakh 0000, okay, 12 lakh 75,000, maybe 12 lakh 75,000. And then you see, yeah, so after standard deduction of 75,000, total income is 12 lakh, and there is no tax on that. Okay, this is announced in our today's budget. So hope this will be useful. And in case you notice any mistake or anything, please inform me. I am sure there is no mistake as such. But anyway, thanks for watching.